Hello, my dear student of class 12. Welcome in biology class. Chapter number 10 is going on. That is microbes in human welfare. Today, part 2. We are studying about the different microbes that is useful and beneficial for the human beings in their life cycle, for the food material, for the by the juices and different kinds of other material that is ensured by the different microorganisms that are beneficial for the body of human beings. For example, lactic acid bacteria, Saccharomyces cerevisiae, etc. Yesterday, I discussed about the microbes in the household product, lactic acid bacteria. Today, I am going to describe microbes that is helpful in the industrial production. Microbes in the industrial production. Which type of microbes? Generally, a number of microbes produce number of product like beverages, antibiotics involve uses of the microbes. A number of product of like beverages and antibiotics are the involves microbes are involved in producing these beverages and antibiotics that is useful or beneficial for the human body, and their production on large scale requires growing microbes in very large vessels that is called fermenter. The production of large scale requiring growing microbes in the very large scale called fermenter. Fermenter is the process of growing the microbes in the very large scale that is useful for the human beings. हम लोग पढ़ रहे हैं क्या? माइक्रोब्स इन द इंडस्ट्रियल प्रोडक्शन. तो डिफरेंट माइक्रोब्स यूज होते हैं बेवरेजेस और एंटीबायोटिक को बनाने के लिए, जो कि ह्यूमन बॉडी के लिए बेनिफिशियल होते हैं. अगर उसमें माइक्रोब्स को ग्रो किया जाता है फर्मेंटेशन प्रोसेस के द्वारा, फर्मेंटर के द्वारा. फर्मेंटर क्या है? एक लार्ज वेसल है जो कि यूज होता है लार्ज स्केल पर माइक्रोब को ग्रो कराने के लिए इन द इंडस्ट्री. हियर फर्स्ट वन इज द फर्मेंटेड बेवरेजेस. Fermented beverages, that yeast is commonly yeast Saccharomyces cerevisiae for the bread making, commonly called brewer's yeast. It is used for fermenting malted cereals and fruit juice to produce ethanol or alcohol. yeast Saccharomyces cerevisiae जो है यूज होता है ब्रेड बनाने के लिए, और इसको हम लोग कॉमनली कहते हैं क्या? ब्रेवर ईस्ट, जो कि यूज होता है माल्टेड सीरियल और फ्रूट को जूस को बनाने के लिए, क्या प्रोड्यूस करने के लिए? एथेनॉल, दैट इज एल्कोहल फॉर्म्स. एंड वाइन बियर्स आर प्रोड्यूस्ड विदाउट डिस्टिलेशन ऑफ, whereas whiskey, brandy and rum are produced by distillation of the fermented broth. This is the I am discussing about the fermented beverages. Yeast is Saccharomyces cerevisiae is commonly called brewer yeast, used for the fermenting the malted cereal and also for the fruit juice to produce ethanol. In which wine and beers are produced without distillation, whereas whiskey, brandy and rum are produced by the distillation process of the fermented broth. This is about microbes that is useful for the fermented beverages, Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Next, microbes in the industrial, that is antibiotics. Antibiotics, simply we can say antibiotics means anti means against, that is Greek word against, and bio means life. So we can simply say against life. This one means against life. Simply we can say antibiotics are the important for the human life. So chemical antibiotics are the chemical substance that produced by the some microbes and that can kill or retard the growth of the microbes Once again, antibiotic means second slide. Antibiotic are the chemical substance that is produced by the microbes and that can kill, retard the growth of microbes in the body of human beings. एंटीबायोटिक क्या है? एंटीबायोटिक एक केमिकल सब्सटेंस है जो कि किल करता है किसको? माइक्रोब्स को और उसके ग्रोथ को इनहिबिट करता है अगर कोई माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म हमारी बॉडी के अंदर डिजीज कॉज कर रहा है. सो वी कैन से विदाउट antibiotic we cannot imagine the world of human beings. So without antibiotics we cannot survive nowadays. So simply you say penicillin was first antibiotics to be discovered by the Alexander Fleming, that is discovered by Alexander Fleming with the help of Staphylococcus. With the help of Staphylococcus, and that is used by the soldiers of America in the Second World War for the procuring the life of the soldiers. By that, Alexander Fleming got the Nobel Prize. So once again, antibiotics have great improve our capacity to treat deadly disease such as plague, whooping cough, diphtheria and leprosy. This type of disease can be treated by the use of the antibiotic, that is plague, whooping cough, diphtheria and leprosy with the help of antibiotics. So we can imagine that without antibiotics lives are not possible on the earth. So this is another industrial product, antibiotic used for the human welfare for surviving the life against the different disease causing microorganism that enter in the body of the human beings and that can inhibit by the taking the different antibiotic, and that antibiotic stop or deadly kill that particular microbe inside the body of organism. Chemicals, and here next one, the chemicals, organic acid, enzymes and other bioactive molecules are commercially produced by microbes. Chemicals, organic acids, enzymes and other molecule are commercially produced by the different microbes here by the chemical producing microorganism. First one is the Aspergillus niger. Aspergillus niger, that is fungus that produce citric acid, and next one is the Acetobacter aceti, that is bacterium produce acetic acid, and next one is the Clostridium botulicum, that is bacterium produce butyric acid, and next one is the Lactobacillus, that is bacterium produce lactic acid, and also Saccharomyces cerevisiae is a yeast that produce ethanol. This is about chemicals that are produced by the microbes that is useful for the production of industrial product for the use of human beings. हम लोग क्या पढ़ रहे हैं? Microbes in the industrial production. इसमें chemical, organic acid, enzymes and other biomolecules that are commercially used for the production of microbes. First is the chemical. इसमें हमने क्या पढ़ा? Aspergillus niger, that is fungus produce citric acid. Acetobacter acid, bacterium that is produce acetic acid. Clostridium botulicum, that is bacterium produce butyric acid. Lactobacillus, that is bacterium produce lactic acid, and Saccharomyces cerevisiae is a yeast that produce ethanol. This is about chemicals. Next one is the enzymes. Others are the enzyme. After chemicals, enzyme are also that is useful for the producing the industrial product. That first one is the lipase enzyme that is used in the laundry detergent, as that is used in laundry detergent, कपड़े धोने के लिए इसका यूज किया जाता है. And also pectinase and protease, two enzymes that are used for the bottle juice. Bottle juice में इनका यूज किया जाता है. 2 एंजाइम है, pectinase and protease enzyme that is used in the bottle juice में यूज किया जाता है. And next में streptokinase that is produced by the bacterium Streptococcus bacterium, used in the as clot buster के रूप में इसका यूज करता है to remove the clot from the object. So this is about the enzyme. We are studying different lipase enzyme, pectinase enzyme and protease and streptokinase. But lipase enzyme का यूज होता है लॉन्ड्री में, लॉन्ड्री डिटर्जेंट के रूप में. पेक्टिनेज और प्रोटीएज का यूज होता है बॉटल जूस के रूप में. स्ट्रेप्टोकाइनेज का यूज होता है क्लॉट बस्टर को रिमूव करने के लिए. रोल ऑफ द बायोमॉलिक्यूल्स, बायोएक्टिव मॉलिक्यूल्स. Here bioactive molecule, first one is cyclosporin A, that is also known as Trichoderma polysporum fungi. That is Trichoderma polysporum fungi, that is used as immunosuppressive or agent in a person that organ transplant, otherwise for the organ transplant patient. साइक्लोस्पोरिन ए एक बायोएक्टिव मॉलिक्यूल है जो कि है क्या, ट्राइकोडर्मा पॉलीस्पोरम फंजाई का एक ऑर्गेनिज्म है जो कि यूज्ड होता है, माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म है जो कि यूज होता है इम्यूनोसप्रेसर एजेंट के रूप में, इम्यूनोसप्रेसिव एजेंट के रूप में. किसके लिए, ऐसे पेशेंट जिसमें ऑर्गन का ट्रांसप्लांट होता है. नेक्स्ट स्टेनिन is also Monasus puriparus yeast. This is Monasus puriparus yeast that is used as blood cholesterol lowering agent. That is used as blood cholesterol lowering agent. स्टेनिन क्या है, एक बायोएक्टिव मॉलिक्यूल है जिसका जो कि मोनेसस प्यूरिपेरस ईस्ट है जो कि यूज्ड होता है किसी पेशेंट के अंदर, पेशेंट को जिसका ब्लड कोलेस्ट्रॉल ज्यादा हो जाता है उसको लोअर करने के लिए. सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट माइक्रोब्स इन द इंडस्ट्रियल प्रोडक्ट, इन विच आई डिस्कस्ड अबाउट द डिफरेंट प्रोडक्ट दैट इज केमिकल्स, एंजाइम्स एंड आल्सो bioactive molecule, along that antibiotics and fermenters that are used for the making the different industrial product that is useful for the human beings. And that's all are about product of the industrial that is made by the different microbes. That's all. Next topic tomorrow I will tell in the next topic, microbes that is in sewage treatments. Thank you.